to see you here at Humble Hus. Now I've got some yarn set up today, and I'm going to show you the differences and what some of the symbols mean on the back. Let's start with this lovely red yarn. It's 70% acrylic, so it's a synthetic fiber mixed with 30% wool. You can wash this yarn by hand or washing machine, only do not iron or put this in the dryer. The yarn symbol with the number shows us the weight and thickness, which in this case is super bulky and soft. Let me show you a string of this to give you an idea. Okay, next up I have this sort of blue shade, which is 100% acrylic, and it is ideal for toys. It comes with the number and the name of the color, which is aqua. The thickness is number 3 light, and this is the hook size that the manufacturer recommends. This yarn is machine washable and dryable. How convenient! Here's a look at what the string looks like. Let me hold it next to the red one. Okay, let's move on to this light green colored one. This is another mixed yarn. It's 55% acrylic and 45% cotton. Perfect for blankets or hats. The thickness is number 5, which is bulky. The recommended hook and needle size in case you knit, and it is also machine washable and dryable at the recommended temperature. I'm not going over every single label on the back, just a few of the basics. Let me show you what this string looks like compared to the last two. Interesting, right? How the texture and the thickness vary. One of the last ones I have to show you is this thin white yarn. It feels quite soft to the touch. Yet it is 100% acrylic as well. And here's another bulky one. Let me compare it to the red one, which was also bulky. Of course, there are many more types of yarns out there, from very expensive to low-priced ones, thin to thick ones, and so many colors to choose from. But if you're just starting out, this will give you a general guide. Thank you for your time.